Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to edit your screenshots with the help of Canva. So I'll just show you with the help of a picture. Let's suppose this is a screenshot. So just upload it here. And after you upload it, you can edit anything you like for most stuff that you need for edit, you will need the Canva Pro subscription. So I'll just show you the free ones. Just go here to the app section. Sorry, my bad. Just go here to the element section. And you can use these things in your picture. These elements. And you can edit your screenshot like in any way you want. Also, you can just go here and type shadows. And with this settings here, you can just edit your screenshot colors and everything. Also, you can animate your screenshot like this here. So that's it. That's it with the video, guys. I hope it helps you. Thanks for watching and take care.